To be showing you guys how to create viral construction workers using free AI tools. As you can see, this particular video is currently blowing up accounts.
This mountain bunker was left to decay for decades, cracked, rusted, forgotten. But restoration begins with a single inspection. Steel was reinforced, concrete was rebuilt. What was once broken slowly became secure again. Then we went underground. New power, new structure, new life. Darkness turned into light, and this abandoned shelter became a fully functional luxury smart home beneath the mountain, from ruin to refuge.
All right, so the first thing we want to do is to go to our script. So this is the prompt. And don't worry, I'm going to drop the prompt in the description below or the comment section. So you just join my Telegram channel, then you have access to all my resources. All right, so I'm going to copy the prompt. This is a complete prompt. Now just copy everything, okay? You don't need to edit anything, you can copy it. All right, so we're going to go to Arena AI. Now, why I'm using Arena AI, because here is where we get our ChatGPT Premium for free. In case you don't know about Arena AI, check my post. I already done a tutorial on how to use Arena AI for free. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and look for ChatGPT 5.2. You can see that it has different premium AI tools here. All right, so because what we want to prompt now, you need a premium AI to do this thing. So it's not a normal. So I'm going to go ahead and submit now. So I have to create an account. I have not created an account on this particular Arena AI before. So I'm also going to go ahead and use my Gmail to create an account. So mind you, you need to use Arena AI because that's where you get access to the premium version. In case you don't have any premium ChatGPT, so through Arena AI, you can get access to the premium version. Right. All right. So you can see it has already loaded our prompt up. You can see it said below are 10 full structured bunker transformation concepts. Okay. All right. So this is the idea one. So it's going to give us different 10 ideas. Inside that 10 ideas, it's going to give us 4 different scenes. Now, this is the scene one for the first idea. This is the text to image prompt. So this is the prompt we are going to use to create our image. All right. Now, this is the prompt we are going to use to animate our image. So this is the scene 2. You can see all the different scenes. Scene 4. This is the idea 2. Okay. Now, this is the voiceover that we are going to use. Like what you are seeing here, that's the voiceover. All right. So that's what we are going to be using. That's the last thing we're going to be doing. You can see this is the idea 2. Desert bunker, high-tech command center. So you can see the idea 2 also have its own scene and everything. So it gave us 10 different ideas. This coastal cliff bunker, right? So you're able to go ahead and look for the one that you want to use. Okay, you can't do everything at the same time. So, but I think I prefer the first idea that I gave to her, which is the idea 1, which is the first topic. So I'll go over to our flow, go to Google Flow. All right, so I'll go to Google Flow. Once you enter Google Flow, you see this for the first time. So we want to create image. We are going to look for nano banana, and we're using 9 by 16. All right, so you want to make sure that you put it on S2. Okay, make sure you are currently using a nano banana Pro in order for it to give you a quality image. We're going to be using it to create our image. All right, so Google Flow gives you free access. All right, so I just go to click on done. Once I'm done with that, just to set the image. Okay, now we're going to copy our prompt and bring it here to create. So I'll go back to my ChatGPT now for my Arena AI. I'm going to copy the first image prompt. This is the image prompt, the first one. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. So I'll move back. I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. Paste it, make sure that the prompt is complete, then send. This is the image prompt, right? So it's going to go ahead and generate our image in the next few seconds. So I'm going to pause the video and just come back when it's done. You can see our image currently generating. Now, according to Google Flow, used to generate more than one image, so it gives you different kind of images so you can pick from. Okay, so once it's done generating, we're just going to go ahead and delete the one we don't need so you don't get confused. Right, so it just created them side by side. We're going to go ahead and delete one. So we'll download the one we need and delete the one we don't need. So I think I prefer this one. I'm going to download. Then I'm going to delete this other one. Go ahead and hit on delete. Okay, so this same process I did now, I'm going to go back to my chat GPT on my Arena AI. Okay, I'm going to copy my scene 2. All right, go through my page. All right, in case you don't know what Arena AI is, I did a overview on Arena AI. Okay, so you understand. This way you get access to your free premium tools. In case you don't have money to pay for premium tools, Arena AI will help you out. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and just copy. This is the scene 2. I'll copy the scene 2. Now we're only creating images for the now, so we're going to go ahead and just create all the 4 images that is needed. So I'll paste our image prompt. Go ahead and we'll send to create. Right. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick the one I want. Pick the one I want, and then I'm going to delete this other one. Right. So we're going to make sure that uh, everything is in order. So I'll go back and go ahead with my chapter. So this is my scene 3. I'll go ahead and copy my scene 3. So we're going to go ahead and repeat the same process from scene 3, and then we are still going to do it for scene 4. Okay, you can see we currently have our 2 images generated, and these are our third images. All right. So according to our prompt, we ask for 3 different scenes per each idea. So it's going to give us 3 different scenes per idea. Okay, so these are our images. I'm going to go ahead and just download this one. Both of them look alike. So I just pick one out of the 2 of them. Then I'm going to delete this other one. So I haven't deleted it. Now this is the last. For the last time. We're going to go ahead and copy the image prompt for our scene 4. Then go back to our flow, Google Flow. I'm going to paste this in here. Then send to creation. Right. So it's going to go ahead and just load. To go ahead and load up. Right, so as you can see, this is the last image we are creating. Now, as you can see, this is the final image. You can see the touch. So we can't use the two because currently Google Flow is creating 2 different images for us. Sometimes you need to create up to 4 images. You only need to accept one and remove the rest. So this last one is what what I make use of. Usually this last one. Okay. Right. So now we're going to do our settings. Okay. We're going to do our settings. So we're going to come down for our video settings. So we're going to pick we're going to pick lights for there, and then 9 by 16. Then you click on OK. You have to set it. Now we are going to go ahead and just add our image. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and set everything up here. So I'm going to make sure that we are using View 3.1 light. Since it's a free, since we are using Google Flow for free, so you click on Agent. All right, Agent is going to give you side by side. That means we're going to have start image and the end image. So we're going to be using 2 images. So put on the first image there and the second image we generated. Don't mix them up. This is the first and second image we generated, right? So we're going to add this. Check very well. Then we're going to add it up. You can see 2 images has already been added there. The first image has been added and the second image has already been added. So here we are going to paste our animation. That's the first animation. Now before we send, we're going to make sure that we're currently on frame and in video and in 9 by 16, 1x. Make sure these things are complete. Then send to creation. Right. So we are currently use our first animation prompt, right, for this first one. So here is where it gets very complicated now. Right, you have to pay attention. So first of all, you have to download this video we have just created. Don't forget that we use the first image and the second image to create this first video. So we are still going to do the same thing. Now, this time around, we are going to use the second image and the third image. So first of all, let's go ahead and copy. This is the first prompt we copy. This, we copy our prompt 2, our second prompt. We're going to copy that. So what we're going to do, go back to our flow. We're going to go ahead and paste the prompt that we copied on our flow. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. So now, here is it. This time around, we're going to add our second image, not the first one we created, the image 2. This time around, it is image 2 and image 3 we're going to use. So that's the image 2. Now, the end image is going to be the third image we created. All right, so pay attention. This is how you're going to do it. So the second image and the third image. The first one we did was the first image and the second image. And this second we are doing is the second image and the third image. So we're going to make sure that they correspond. Don't mix them up. Make sure it's the second and third you are adding up. All right. So you have to pay attention to it because they look alike. So you don't have to mix them. But that's why I deleted the unwanted images so that we don't mix them up. So go ahead and hit on submit. And then we are going to have our second video currently being generated. So once it is done generating, you also have to go there and save it because you're already done with this video. Okay, you're already done with it. You're going to go ahead and just hit on your download. Make sure you are using the 720 dp. Based on we are using free Google Flow, so that's the highest we can download. So go ahead and download it. So now we're going to go back to our Arena AI, which is our ChatGPT. Now we're going to go to the third prompt. This is the third prompt. All right. Okay, sorry. Let me scroll down a little. Yeah, this is the third prompt. Copy it. Now this place is complicated. Okay, you have to pay attention. Copy it. Go back to our flow. All right, we are going to paste it on our flow. What we are going to do now, the last time we did was the second image and the third. Now we're going to use the third image and the fourth image. This is the third image. Okay, so make sure that's correct. If you mix it up, it's not going to work. This is the fourth image, which is the last image we created. Don't forget it is 4 scenes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit on submit. All right, you hit on submit and then our video is going to be created. Click on download 720 dp. All right, so now this is the last one that we have on our list, which is the scene 4. We're going to go ahead and we'll copy our scene 4. This is the last scene. Now this scene 4 is going to be single. This is the only single video. This is the only single image you are going to be prompting here. We copy it and go back to our flow to paste it here. This time around, we're not going to use, we only have one image left, which is the last one, which is the scene 4 image. I'm going to go ahead and just create this last one. So once you are done, so this is how you create your image, right? This is how you create our construction workers. This is how we create them. Right? You can see the image has already been created, the video has already been created. So the next thing we need to do, make sure you save that. The next thing we need to do, we need to create a voiceover. All right. So we'll need a voiceover, and also we ask ChatGPT to give us a voiceover on the prompt. When you get to my Telegram channel, download the prompt for yourself. You can read through it. You will see that we asked ChatGPT to give us a voiceover. I think 20 to 18 to 20 seconds voiceover. You can see it here. Voice script is 18 to 20 seconds voice script. So this is going to be the voiceover that will be on the video. All right, this is voiceover that is going to be on the video. So next thing we're going to do now to get our voiceover script, the best free app you can use is 11 Lab. So this is currently our 11 Lab environment. Once you sign up, all right, it's going to take you to your dashboard. And here, this is our dashboard. Now, what you need to do is to go ahead and copy the script that I want to create using the 11 Lab. So go over to our 11 Lab. Here we are going to go ahead and paste our prompts here on our 11 Lab. So you cross check, make sure that it's correct. You can see the generate button. This is generate speech. Okay, go ahead and hit on the generate speech, and in just few seconds, hence what we are generating is very few, not that many. So in few seconds, Right, you can see our voiceover has already been generated. Go ahead and play it. But you can't hear it because we are currently using the mic. So now, at the left hand side, right hand side, you can see the download there. So click on it and you're going to go ahead and download it to your computer. All right. Now you are going to go ahead and use your any AI tools like let's say CapCut or any free tools that you have just to measure the videos together. So make sure you download the 11 lab script. So this script is where you're going to add to your video. So don't forget you can use CapCut to merge the videos together, and that is how you create these videos. It's very easy. As you can see, they are currently blowing up accounts. So I'll see you in my next video.